Unit 13, Sound 2, Blends and Rhymes. A with magic E, and that makes the sound A. This is part of the Magic E series. Keywords 关键字 字母 letter 聲音 sound 元音 vowel 輔音 consonant 音節 syllable 英文拼音 English phonics. A with magic E makes the vowel sound A. For this sound to be made, then one consonant goes between the letter A and the magic E. Here's an example. A normally makes the sound A, and E normally makes the sound E. But when there is the consonant sound T from T, then the E becomes silent, it does not make a sound. And the A sound becomes the A sound. So it's now A. These are the consonant sounds that go between the letter A and magic E. B, S, D, F, K, U, M, N, P, S, T, V, Z. Sound test. What consonant sound goes between the letter A and the magic E? Think about the sound of these letters. Sound 1. Ape, 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 ape. What sound is it? It's the sound that goes between the A and the magic E to make ape. Is shown by the letter P. Sound 2. What sound is it? Aim, aim, aim. Aim. It is the sound M. That is shown by the letter M. And together A, M, E make the sound aim. Sound 3. What consonant sound goes with the A and magic E? Aid, 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 aid. is the sound D that is shown by D. And together with A and magic E, it makes the syllable aid. Onset and rhyme. Abe, ace, aid, ape, ache, ale, aim, ain, ape, ace, eight, ave, a's. These are all rhymes in one-syllable words. Now we will see some of the words that they can make. We can add an onset to make a word. B, a, babe. F, ace, face. Aid, maid. S, afe, safe. Ache, make. W, ale, whale. K, aim, cane. Pl, ain, plain. T, ape, tape. K, ace, case. L, eight, late. G, ave, gave. A's, maze. There are also many other words that you can make when you add the onset to a rhyme with A and magic E. You can also read new words using the rhyme when you see A with a magic E rhyme. Here we have the word tape. And here is some tape. Knowing how a word looks and sounds can help to read other words that look the same. So now we have this word, and we can see the rhyme A-P-E is the same in both words. So we have A-P-E, ape, and a S, apes. This says apes, just like tape. Then we add the sound for the first part. SH makes the sound sh, so it's sh, apes, shapes. Oh, it's the word shapes. And here we have some shapes. So if you know what one word looks like, and you can see it in another word, and you know its sound, like the rhyme A-P-E is in both words, so we know the sound, then you can learn to read new words. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and watch more videos on this channel. Bye bye!